Welcome to the Chord Company Epic Speaker Cable Termination Guide, featuring our latest silver-plated ChordOhmic 4mm connectors and introducing our new Hex Gun crimping tool. Using an appropriate stripping tool, in this case a press master, we remove 120mm of the Epic outer jacket and screens. Once the outer jacket, woven braid screen and lapped foil screen have been carefully removed, the thick white inner PVC jacket will be revealed. The inner jacket is removed by first making a circular incision with a Stanley knife or similar sharp implement, taking care not to cut into the insulation of the red and white conductors beneath. A degree of robust wiggling, twisting and pulling is entirely appropriate at this point, as this will assist the smooth withdrawal of the inner jacket with minimal further incisions. Once the red and white conductors are exposed, the Chord Company trousers can be fitted, ensuring the directional arrow on the trousers is pointing the correct way, in this case away from the signal source. Push the trousers firmly home for a neat finish. Once the trousers are seated, there should be approximately 6mm of red or white conductor insulation poking from each leg. Using stripping pliers, remove this insulation, being careful not to cut off any silver-plated cable strands. The bare ends of each conductor should fit nicely into the barrel of the ChordOhmic connector. It is good practice to position the connector spring bars upwards in line with the directional arrow on the trousers. The Hex Gun has a two-stage trigger. The first squeeze grips, the second crimps. Cable and connector should be placed into the smallest aperture, with the connector base sitting flush with the jaws. Grip, check alignment, then crimp. The finishing touch is the screwing on of appropriately coloured caps. Red for positive, black for negative.